Welcome back to my channel Gitter Official. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to clean up your C drive in Windows 10 to free up space and make your PC run faster. First, click on the Windows icon and open the Run box. Now type temp and press enter. This will open a folder containing temporary files created by your system. You might see hundreds of files here. Don't worry, these are just junk files. Select all of them and delete them. If some files don't delete, just skip them. Next, again click on the Windows icon, open Run, and this time type %temp% and press enter. This opens another temporary folder where Windows stores even more unnecessary files. Again, select everything and delete it. This step alone can free up a lot of space. Now, repeat the same step once more. Open Run, type prefetch, and press enter. A folder will appear. These are files stored to help programs start faster, but over time, they just take up space. Select all files and delete them as well. After cleaning these 3 folders, go to your recycle bin on the desktop. Right-click inside it and choose Empty Recycle Bin. Confirm it, and after a few seconds, your recycle bin will be completely empty. The next step is to remove unwanted apps. Click on the search bar, type Uninstall Apps, and press enter. Here you'll see a list of all installed programs. Look carefully and uninstall the apps you don't use. For example, I'll uninstall CapCut here. Just click on the app, press uninstall, and wait a few moments until the process finishes. Removing unused apps frees up extra storage and also makes your PC boot faster. Now, let's optimize the C drive itself. Open File Explorer, go to this PC, then right-click on the C drive and choose Properties. Here, go to the Tools tab and click on Optimize. In the Optimize window, select C drive and click on Optimize again. This process will rearrange files on your drive for better performance. Once it's done, close the window. Finally, we'll use the built-in Disk Cleanup tool. Open the search bar, type Disk Cleanup, and press enter. Select the C drive and click OK. Windows will now scan your drive for unnecessary files. This may take a few minutes, depending on how full your drive is. Once the scan is complete, check all the boxes, and then click OK. When it asks for confirmation, click on Delete Files. Wait a little while, and Disk Cleanup will permanently remove those junk files from your PC. That's it. You've now successfully cleaned up your C drive. After doing this, you'll notice your PC runs smoother, boots faster, and has more free space. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Gitter Official.